A few solar systems from Earth, on the planet of WASP 121b, survival is a daily business and quite dangerous. There is a little orange creature whose name is Nem Nem. However, don't let his appearance fool you. Nem Nem is strolling along looking for a mate and finds another creature just like him but green. But this green Nem Nem is actually a doppelganger called a Henso Hanta that has transformed from its cloudy gray shape. Nem Nem hates green Nem Nem, so he slaps green Nem Nem. Henso Hanta tries to seduce him but fails because there's animosity between them, so he gets eaten. Nem Nem continues on with his journey. Nem Nem sees what we on Earth might call a snowman and eats it. Another Nem Nem appears. Nem Nem too finishes the snowman. Anywho, most people don't realize the effect that their actions have on the rest of the world. This is called the butterfly effect. What is the butterfly effect? It is the idea that small things can have non-linear impacts on a complex system. The concept is imagined with a butterfly flapping its wings and causing a typhoon. What if the butterfly effect can happen between planets and moons? The effect of Nem Nem's destruction has moved from WASP 121b to its golden moon. Another thing you should know, there's a sinister creature shaped like a pink box with ropey strands whipping above its head called a Jibbilf, seen here in a rare anthropological film found on Earth. Not only can the Jibbilf hop solar systems, it has the ability to amplify chaotic and destructive vibrations between celestial bodies, for example, between a planet and a moon. On the golden moon, there are beautiful, wonderful, and even terrifying creatures eating strange giant pearl-like fruits from something that we might consider trees. Suddenly, the world starts shaking. They panic to escape to bring the fruits back to their families.
Good.
The boulder is blocking the river and the trees are dying.
The butterfly effect, amplified by the Jibbilf, has a devastating effect on the inhabitants of Golden Moon.